The M16 I grew up with was direct gas operation, but today gas piston guns are becoming more popular and more available. The question is, which is better? Jay Guthrie and David Fortier tackle this question in Crossfire.
Jay, what is up with you still carrying a direct gas gun? I mean, come on now.
It's been the nation's service rifle for over 40 years. It works just fine. With the proper maintenance, it's all that. I know you've got one of the new piston guns in the world, buzz with piston guns. Oh, we all got to have piston guns. What's so great about them?
What's so great about them? Well, I tell you what, that's been the military service rifle for decades now, but there's a reason why the Special Operations is looking for a better gun, and that's because that one's got issues.
Bigger budgets, more money to spend. This works just fine.
It comes down to when the crap hits the fan, this gun is reliable, it's durable, it doesn't foul as much in the action, you don't have to clean it as much.
It fouls, it just fouls somewhere else. And
somewhere else, which isn't in the action, buddy.
There are a lot more parts to fail.
I tell you what, you
and
got
it's
one
heavy.
piston and a spring, and this Ruger isn't heavy. There are some European designs that might be, but this is a well-designed gun.
I don't know, man. Op-rod guns were the thing back in, the 50s with the good old M14, and then the Poodle shooter came along and shattered all the accuracy records of all the competitions.
Well, you know, you're right. The M16 did paddle the M14's butt, but how many decades did it take for them to perfect that design to do that? And this is brand new, and I guarantee you that this will reach the same level of accuracy that will.
It's an op-rod gun. There's stuff going on. It's too crazy. Nothing compares to simple gas pushing a simple bolt.
You got a little bit of a point there, but one of the nice things is I've even got an adjustable gas system on this.
There's more parts to fail. These guns are simple, they just work. You maintain them properly, pull the trigger, they're going to shoot, and they're going to shoot more accurately than that rifle there, Dave.
Practical accuracy? I mean, come on, this gun is more than accurate enough to do anything it was designed for.
I've never had a rifle that was too accurate.
Well, you know, you give this gun a little bit of time, and I guarantee you that you're going to see the same level of accuracy without the problems of that gun. And that gun didn't get a certain name as far as what it does with the gas without a reason.
The weapon that throws up on itself.
Well, I tell you what, that is a good design, and I like them. This is also a good design, and it's worth taking a look at.